This is my F80 M3, and today we're going to be installing this Cen-Cal Motorsport valved single catback. What I have in my car right now is an equal length mid pipe and then an OEM muffler with our catless down pipes. But we're gonna be changing this system into our single mid pipe system and replacing this big muffler with our way smaller, way lighter muffler. Our muffler is lightweight, has way less restrictions, and the valves open 100%. The OEM muffler only opens 80%. Before we get started, we'll listen to the current system and see how that compares. As you can see, the equal length system sounds good, but there's still a little bit of rasp. We're hoping to cancel that out by doing our single mid-pipe catback system. So let's get started.
I'm taking off these down pipes. It'd be nuts, right? Normally it's a bolt, but we still got studs on here, so I'm just taking off these nuts.
These nuts.
These nuts. Kaeden forgot to mention, y'all. I'm gonna out him right now. This rattles the valves like a motherfucker.
It does.
Clip that.
The valves
I don't know. Can you put like the BMW chime over my cusses? That's what Vehicle Virals does though, so that might be like some bullshit. Oh man. Yeah, how do you get up in that?
How you gonna get that?
Yeah, so low-key we'll probably have to like do some shit. Can you tell them fried through the camera or no? You can? No. I've never taken this exhaust off, by the way. That shit loose. F55 dog?
Yeah, it's $55.
Like, ain't even hand tight.
Kaeden was telling you guys that this has the equal length mid pipe on it, and a lot of people say that that's the best sounding system for the S55, but in my opinion it's a little bit raspy. I think the single mid pipe just tones it out. It makes it deeper, right? Like single mid pipe's deeper.
Yeah, single mid pipe's definitely deeper.
I think from what I've heard, single mid pipe's deeper, and I think it's gonna sound better, so we'll see.
Yeah,
Single smooths it out. A lot of people don't understand what a single mid pipe actually does, right? Because these cars are twin turboed, right? There's 3 cylinders in bank 2, 3 cylinders in bank 1, and it's keeping it equal length all the way out, right? So you're getting 3 cylinders out of these 2 tips and 3 cylinders out of this. What we're doing to tame that tone, if you want to, for lack of better words, right? We're converging it together so all 6 are running through the same pipe and then splitting back out like this, right? So it smooths that tone. That's how you get rid of that rasp, is, you know, smoothing them out, putting them together.
I think single's the move. I mean, you guys saw in our last video, we did this single mid pipe catback on my car. I think S58, it sounds good too. A lot of people also say that the equal length is better on S58, but in my opinion, single mid pipe all the way on the S55 and the S58.
So here we have the equal length mid pipe versus the single mid pipe. You can see the difference is how this mid pipe is really squiggly all throughout, and this takes the 2 down pipes and puts it into 1 all the way back, where it splits off into 2 and then into the aftermarket muffler system. All right, and this is the muffler system. Big difference compared to the OEM. It comes with this valved remote too. Nice little box. And these remotes are actually weighted. Super clicky, nice, satisfying. And they're connected to these valves right here. These actuators are a lot better than the OEM because these don't rattle. And this one also has the CC logo. Way better than the OEM. So let's continue.
Guys, so Kaeden went to the bathroom. He's taking a shit right now, but we're gonna surprise him with a flame tune on his car. So when he takes his car for a rip, it's gonna have a flame tune. It's gonna shoot huge flames. So let's get that flashed, and then I can't wait to see his reaction once this thing's like shooting huge flames out of the exhaust. So Kaeden's car is on a boot mod 3 tune, just like a stage 2 right now, but I just had my tuner cook up a flame map. So just dumping a bunch of fuel, huge flames out the back. And I think we're gonna start this car open dump like we did my G80 as well when we did my exhaust. So he's gonna go rip the car. He's not gonna know anything, and it's just gonna shoot huge flames out of the bottom. So let's get this car tuned. We're on the boot mod 3. It's on the phone. It's super easy. It's gonna flash in like literally a minute. So when you tune on boot mod, you have to put your seatbelt on. You have to make sure the headlights are off, no AC, all that good stuff. Make sure the car is connected, and then you're gonna go to the flame map and literally just flash the car. It's super fast, like I said, literally less than a minute. But yeah, hopefully he doesn't come back out here while we're tuning it, but I can't wait to see his reaction. It's gonna be crazy. I know it's gonna shoot some huge flames.
What's up?
We're about to start it open dump. Are you down?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, we're gonna start it open. I'll let you drive it open dump because that's how I drove mine.
Bet.
I'm just like resetting the codes and everything like that so it doesn't like brick itself. But yeah, we'll pull it out and then we'll let you rip it open dump.
Let's do it. like a tractor.
It does. I'm excited to see how it sounds ripping.
It's not that loud.
It'll scream. You gotta hear some wastegates.
You have faith?
Bro, it's crazy. God, those burbles are crazy. Bro, that's just crazy. The pops are crazy. Damn.
Holy shit, bro, it's shooting flames. What the fuck?
It's not flames. It's not flames. Run it back.
What the fuck?
It's just because it's opened up, bro. Bro, I flashed your car on a flame tune, bro.
What the fuck, actually?
Yes, when you were in the bathroom, bro.
Bro, I knew you guys were up to some
I know, when you came out, bro, I was like mid-flash
We're shooting
on
flames
it.
open dump right now?
Yes, bro. It has a flame tune. That's gunshots, bro. I think when the exhaust is on, it'll still shoot like some badass flames, bro. It's
Holy
crazy. Yeah, I know.
I didn't know you guys did that.
I had the tuner cook up a flame map earlier this morning when I knew we were doing the exhaust.
Bro, my shit shoots flames now.
I know. With the exhaust on, it should shoot some like fat ass flames out the back. Bro, it's so loud. It's gunshots. Bro, opened up is so fun. Let's pull it back into the shop and get the exhaust on, see how it sounds.
Yeah,
we're putting on a show for these guys right here, bro.
They were telling me to rev it, bro.
I know.
Didn't even know I had fucking flames, bro.
Bro, I can feel I can feel the exhaust like on my feet, bro. It's crazy.
I'll let you drive it open.
Nick's gonna drive it.
I'll let you drive it open up.
Nick's gonna drive it.
Fucking insane. Bro, you didn't even tell me they did flame tune on it. What the f? That shit was crazy. Nick's driving right now. I can't believe they surprised me with flame tune while it's open dump, bro. I didn't even know. Nick will shoot some flames. He knows how to shoot some flames with it. I'm excited to see. That's so cool, bro. My car shoots flames now. Should shoot flames with the single mid-pipe catback, but we'll see. I'm hoping. If not, we'll take off the exhaust and we'll leave the open dump on. Okay, it doesn't even matter.
It's fun?
Yeah, you definitely, like, it needs the exhaust.
To do that?
Yeah, because it runs out the exhaust and ignites the exhaust.
We'll get it pretty hot after. Alright guys, so we just put the exhaust on, it's all wrapped up, and it looks a lot better already. Way shinier, way better. This stainless steel really just shines in this light. We threw this muffler on, the CC muffler looks way better, a lot smaller, a lot lighter. And then these are our polished tips right here. They look a lot nicer, especially against this satin black. I'm excited to hear how it sounds, excited to see if it'll shoot flames with the flame tune. And yeah, let's turn it on and see how it sounds.
right, guys, the car is done, and as you saw, we took the car out open dump, and I put a flame tune on Kaeden's car, although it wasn't really shooting the craziest pops and bangs when we took it out. I think that's because there was no exhaust on there, so we're super stoked to see how it sounds and see how big the flames are right now.
Yeah, I'm excited to see how it sounds. I'm excited to see the difference between the equal length system and the single mid-pipe system, and yeah, I'm excited to see if it'll shoot flames. I don't know.
Let's go and rip it. There's this guy, I think the cops are looking for him. He came over with his shirt off, but he just ran into like the oncoming traffic on the freeway, and now he's like pacing around.
He was low-key like had his shirt off running from the cops and threw on a
Yeah,
fit
they were
to, like,
looking for a
disguise
guy.
himself.
They were looking for a guy without a shirt.
No, but he was walking.
Whoa!
Holy
What's going on?
He's from here, he sprinted.
That cop was definitely looking for someone.
He drove right past him.
Yeah, but you didn't see him.
He's going, look at him, he's
Look at
taking
him
off, he's
running,
taking off.
bro.
Where?
Across the street. See him?
Oh, wait, yeah.
He fucking broke his neck.
Dude, he went into the 76, like dodging cars, like this, bro. I swear to God, like, and the cars are honking at him and gone. Oh, no. Yeah, what about him? He's right here across the street. Huh? No, the cop, he had his shirt off and he ran over here and then he threw his shirt on, the cops drove by. The second the cops passed, he took off and then he was like doing circles and he's right there.
Oh, he's not like your friend?
No, hell no. No, he's like a homeless video. He's a homeless guy. We're just filming him. I don't know. Oh, he's running.
Oh, he's running.
If he comes at me, I'm dipping, bro. Oh, look at. Oh, he's coming this way, bro. Oh, shit, is he coming? Look at, he's trying to go, the cop.
No, I'll figure it out.
Oh, he's lighting him up.
No,
He's in oncoming traffic.
Yeah, no, he's staying
he's
here to
literally-
block him. Like, look, he's right there. Yeah, look, it's going after him.
Oh.
Oh, bro, what if he runs? Oh, he's looking at him. Oh, he's jumping the fence. Go.
Little side quest?
I know. We were trying to do sound clips of the exhaust, but I guess we're running after this guy now. We're turning into the police.
What's the
right
right
and
and
then
left?
I'm thinking
Right and then left.
If I were him, I would have gone right now.
What? See, filming just looks crazy now. Are you guys looking for the tweaker running? So he was sprinting down this way. That's why we kind of went that way to see if we could see him.
He came up to us at our shop. He came up to us and I could tell he was like kind of running, and then as soon as you guys passed him, he just took off running and then almost got hit on the 76.
He had no shirt on.
He had his shirt off and then he put like a big like flannel on.
No, I was looking under the cars. I would hide under the cars.
I would be back there.
That's him. Yes, that's f***ing him. He's standing outside.
He's on the inner.
He's right there. He's right there, sitting down. Oh! Yeah, look at him. Oh, he's going in the street. He's gonna get me. Bro, why are the cops not chasing? Oh, shit. The cops aren't going after him. Oh, yep, they got him. Oh, there we go. That's our community service for the night, guys. We helped the cops out in detaining the Hispanic 30-year-old male with dark, long hair. We got him. To let the cops know that we appreciate them, this is for them. Oh, we're in low power mode. Oh, 7 miles of range. I'm gonna run out of gas trying to find this guy, bro. After that little side quest, Kaeden is finally ready to rip it, and we're gonna do valves open and then valves closed.
I can't hear. Oh my God.
I think the flame tune works. I can't hear, bro. I can't hear.
No, my ear actually like.
Oh my God, bro. I can't hear. Dude, I can't hear. It's so fat.
That sounded crazy. What the?
You wanna go? You all rev it and you listen to it?
Let me go peep that shit.
That's too much.
Almost. Dude, that shit's fat as
Dude.
God damn, bro. What the?
No, it actually hurts your
What did you
ears.
do to my car?
That hurts so much.
So it shoots flames.
Yeah, it shoots
It
flames.
shoots flames. Let's give some proper
Damn.
revs now.
Yeah.
No flames, valves open, valves closed. Wow, that sound difference is insane. Like, literally, that sounds like a stock F80. And then he opens it up, and then it sounds like this. that's enough revs, and let's get this car ripping and see how it sounds on wide open throttle.
That shit sounds insane.
I
That shit
know.
looks
I rev the
insane.
car and I let him go outside and listen to it, and it's crazy. So we're gonna go rip the car right now and see how it sounds. God, bro. It literally makes me jump every time. The camera's gonna see it. Yeah, bro, it sounds good. I like the single mid-pipe tone so much better than the equal length, honestly.
It sounds way better.
It does. I think it is safe to say that that single mid-pipe catback sounds super good.
Bro, those flames are huge.
Oh my God.
Back at the shop now, and I just looked at that clip and the flames look insane. I'm so happy with how it sounds and how the exhaust turned out, and thank you, Bryce, for doing the flame tune. I'm really happy about that. If you want any of the parts that you saw in this video, all the links are gonna be listed below in the description. We have a really cool build series coming for you guys too, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next one.